Hey everybody, coming around. Ooh, I'm a little too high. Let me sit down then. Welcome, Stampinsuecreates here, and welcome to my dining room. Have an unboxing today, and don't you worry, those of you that have been asking about embroidery videos, I will be back. So I have a HelloFresh. Now, I used to subscribe to HelloFresh a while ago, and with everything going on in the world, I thought, you know, I have Misfit Market, which brings me my fruits and vegetables every other week. So I thought, I'm going to give HelloFresh another try. They've been sending me lots of emails. They want me back. What can I say? They want me back. So let me just stand up here for a minute, see what all is in the top. So I just wanted to show you, this is my first HelloFresh that I've had in quite a while. So let's see what all is in here. So if you're not familiar with HelloFresh, they're a company that send you all the items you need to make dinners. And my hair is kind of a mess. I didn't even look before I went on. Should have put a little lipstick on too. So I chose the 2-person, 3 times a week meal plan. So they have a larger meal plan if you have a family. So it's just me. So I figured the leftovers I can have for lunch or the next day. So 3 days, a fresh meal, and 3 more days there's a reheating meal. I love leftovers, no problem with that. And then of course the 7th day, well, maybe pizza. So let's see what we got. We have Lime Magazine, The Struggle is Real. So it talks about fresh features, beyond the box, the dish. There's another recipe, a cinnamon apple crepe in here. There's some questions asked Chef Dana. Open for special offers, which y'all know what this is, right? I don't know. Why am I saying y'all? I'm not even from the South. I'm a Northerner. So it's just crap, you know, trying to sell you something. And look, $100 wine voucher. Imagine that. Anyhow, not interested in that. Okay, so here on top are the recipes. So I chose ballpark style sloppy joes with mozzarella, green pepper, and potato wedges. There's that. And here on the back, step-by-step instructions. So it's kind of like cooking even if you have no experience. The other item, and you do get to choose what meals that you want. The other one is a balsamic tomato and herb chicken over buttery garlic spaghetti. And there's that one. And again on the back. Now when you're choosing your meals, they do have, if it's spicy, they do have if it's a quick meal, 1-pan dish, that kind of stuff. So I didn't go with spicy. I don't like spicy. If you're spicy, you go with spicy. You go with what you like. Okay, so next we have saucy sesame chicken stir fry with lime rice and sriracha lime mayo. Now, sriracha, I think that's something hot. There's the picture of that. And then again, on the back is the instructions. So they do give you little tips too. It's telling you the rice is right, how to cook the rice. This one's secret ingredient, spoonful of sugar. So share with your hashtag HelloFreshPics with us at HelloFresh. And I'm going to post a link down below. If you want to save yourself a little bit of money and give it a try, you know, I'll have a link down below. And then I also get a credit for that too. So it's a win-win. So anyhow, here we are. Here's our package. Now, I just got home from work. Sorry, my head may be cut off, but y'all know I'm still here. There's that y'all thing again. Just got home from work, and this was delivered. I checked at lunchtime, and it had been delivered. So it was on my porch. There's how it's packaged. All right, so let's take it out and let's see. We have ballpark style sloppy joes. So see, it's all in the package, all ready for you. Here we have the saucy sesame chicken stir fry, and there's that. And it says, this is going to be fun. What does the other one say? Same thing. It looks like we have a hello gift, and it's a Snickers peanut butter brownie, like hello. And then it says you can win a $500 gift card. Like, hello, I need a $500 gift card to buy Snickers. That would be nice, right? Okay, so here we have the balsamic tomato and herb chicken all in here, and it says get cooking. So that's my 3 meals. In between all that, we have, don't forget about the ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice. So they have that, and that was laying on the top. And can you see in there? All right, so let's check it out. And it's still very cold. Cast iron seared chicken breast, raised without antibiotics. So here's 2, show you the back, 2 chicken breasts. Look how nice that looks. Can you see that? So here it is. And I'm reaching across my table here. Wasn't sure how to set this up for you, because normally I'm upstairs in my craft room. Oh, and this is still almost frozen. Ground beef. It's 85% lean and 15% fat. So there is the ground beef. And then here we have chicken breast cutlets, and look, there's still ice on it. So it's all ready. With rib meat. There's our chicken. That looks yummy. And then down here in the bottom, we have Recycle Me. And this is an ice block. And look, it's still frozen. Clean and dry. Empty non-toxic contents into trash and dry. Set aside. Don't recycle me with your curbside items. Recycle. There is a plastic film recycling.org for drop-off locations. Now I'm going to stick this in my freezer. Where are y'all at? And I'm going to stick this in my freezer because, you know, sometimes you need an ice pack for something. Now, granted, if I'm going to have an injury to myself, I'm certainly not going to, unless I have a back injury. I'd cover like my whole back. You know, sometimes you worry about, you know, the power going out, which you're calling for another storm here in northeastern Pennsylvania, and you never know. So having this in there, that could help save some of your items in your freezer. So this comes out, and then we just have a cardboard box. And I don't know, you could repurpose this as well. You could do something with it. Anybody have an idea of what to do with this? Let me know. Okay. So let's just take a peek. Which one should you take a peek at? Oh, that could go. Now the cardboard box, the cardboard will be recycled. I don't really have a need for it. So let's pick this one. This is the ballpark style Sloppy Joes. Now, today is the beginning of Lent for Christians. And so it is a day where we don't eat meat. So unfortunately, had I really looked at the calendar, I would have picked something that was fish. And I would have had that for today. But instead, I'll probably just have mac and cheese. Okay, so let me stand up. So now this is the Sloppy Joes. I'm not going to open up every one, but I'll just give you a look-see so you can see. Now this is cornstarch, and it's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then, potato buns. Oh my gosh, I love potato buns. I'm just going to stand up because I feel like I'm like reaching over. You know what? Let me come around and move you up a little more. So then, there, now you could really see my kitchen. Okay, there we are. Okay, so we have 2 potato buns. And look at how nice and fresh. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Now they're a little cold. Okay, so here we have ketchup. And we have, it says beef on it, HelloFresh beef. So maybe it's like, let me get the recipe. Beef, where's the beef thing? Where's the beef? Add beef and cook. Well, it must just be like a stock, like a beef stock. That's what I'm assuming. Okay, so here we have some mozzarella cheese. And I love that it's all prepackaged. You know, you may need to gather some supplies like salt, pepper, olive oil, that kinds of things. This is Kikkoman ponzu, citrus seasoned soy sauce and dressing. And there. And then here we have Dijon mustard. Now granted, if there's something in here that I'm kind of like, I open that up and I taste it a little bit and I'm kind of like, I'm not going to use it. Here we have some sort of pepper. Green pepper. Okay. And then we have a real nice onion. And then there's a garlic clove in here. And then there's potatoes. There you go, the potatoes. So everything is in here. Just one garlic clove. If you want more, hey, I'm sure you have garlic cloves in your house, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this all back in here. And I'm going to close that up. And I'm going to leave the buns out. Maybe I'll make this tomorrow. But then I have the whole weekend, you know, I can make something fun. So I'm excited about this. So there is a discount code, like I said, that I will put down below if you'd like to try it out. If it's something that you'd like me to do a video on, making one of these, I'm all for that. I can do that. So yeah, this is HelloFresh. Let me get something that has the HelloFresh on it. How about this? This is a hello from HelloFresh, and I'm excited to give it a try. So let me know what you think. Is this something you think you'd be interested in? Let me know. I will provide a discount code for you down below, and I'll help out you, and you will help out me. So thanks so much for joining me, and be careful out there, be safe, and happy cooking. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Now I got to go around and turn this off because I don't have any kind of fancy turn off thing. All right. Bye-bye.